Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I thought I'd take a departure from the kitchen and move to the bar. I'm going to be making a very popular drink for you, but with my own twist. So let's get started. The drink I'm making today is a mint julep, but obviously my own desi twist on it, right? So the first step for this is we need a good whiskey and we need some ingredients that are non-traditional. In a mint julep, you have mint, you have sugar syrup, and you have a whiskey or a bourbon, and that's pretty much it. What I'm adding is cardamom. Cardamom makes it, it elevates the drink to the next level. But most importantly, I'm adding a whiskey that lends itself perfectly to this drink. This whiskey is called Yaksha. Now, Yaksha is actually the name of a mythical creature from India who is noble yet mischievous, which describes this whiskey perfectly. The whiskey also has notes of smokiness, of honey, and it's infused with some botanicals. If you can get your hands on this whiskey, I recommend it. I think it's available easily in India, but also in the US now. So let's get started. For my first step, we have some mint over here. I'm going to muddle this till we get a nice little mixture or chutney of mint, if you will. I have my muddled mixture of mint that goes into my shaker. That's perfect. To that, I'm going to add our Yaksha whiskey. And all the proportions are down below, so don't worry about those. Add some sugar syrup, which we need some sweetness to this. And, like I said, cardamom powder. Just a little bit, just a pinch of cardamom powder. We'll throw that in there. And all we have to do now is give this the good old traditional shake. And there we go. And now we pour into our glass. And I recommend using crushed ice for this drink because it's perfect. It lets you taste the whiskey and also the mint. Now, muddling the mint, what it does for you is it brings out the flavor of the mint very well. So there we go. And done. Now, if that's too strong for you, you can add a splash of club soda, but I'm just going to have it the way it is. And we're going to garnish with just one mint leaf. And there you have it, my Desi Mint Julep made with the Yaksha whiskey. Until next time, take care and God bless.